Yeah, my school, I'm the music specialist. So I do is I teach music from year 1 through to year 6. The benefit of the Arts Network, it's the links it's allowed me to make. So outside of my school, linking with other arts practitioners, sharing good practice, that's been really good. And from that, we're going to create a no-frills pack for non-specialist music teachers, so we can get that out there. But also, as well as looking outward, it's made me look inward at my own school to see staff I work with where I can develop them as well. So sometimes I think for me, it's meant, as well as doing more things, it's meant in certain aspects taking a step back and allowing other members of staff to take on activities with me supporting them, not sort of taking over things, but them taking on things. I'm there as their support, and that means more staff in my own school are getting involved now in creative things. So the team of people involved is increasing, and it's not just about one member of staff being involved in all those things.